Hi, I'm Letitia from the chemistry classroom of Bishop Heber College. Let's ruminate on this question. Why do we boil vegetables in salted water? To answer this question, we need to understand what are colligative properties. The properties of a solution are different from those of either the pure solvents or solutes. Many solution properties are dependent upon the chemical identity of the solute. Compared to pure water, a solution of hydrochloric acid is more acidic, a solution of ammonia is more basic, a solution of sodium chloride is denser, and a solution of sucrose is more viscous. A few solution properties, however, that depend only upon the total concentration of solute species, regardless of their identities. The properties that depend on the number rather than the nature of chemical particles under study are called colligative properties. These properties include lowering of vapor pressure, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, and osmotic pressure. In this video, we will concentrate on elevation of boiling point. Any liquid will have some amount of its molecules existing in the vapor state just above its surface. Even at room temperature, a small portion of the liquid would remain in its vapor state. As the temperature rises, the amount of liquid molecules in the vapor state increases, exerting more pressure on the surface of the liquid. To understand this in a better way, we can take a comparison of volatile and non-volatile liquids. Acetone is a volatile liquid at room temperature and hence it would be having more number of molecules existing in its vapor state. Its boiling point is 56 degrees Celsius. Water is a non-volatile liquid at room temperature, hence it would be having less number of molecules existing in its vapor state. Its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Vapor pressure is defined as the amount of pressure exerted by the molecules in the vapor state of any liquid just above its surface. Now, let's understand what happens to vapor pressure when a non-volatile solute is added to pure. We will consider water as pure solvent and sodium chloride, which is known as table salt, as non-volatile solute. Whenever a salt is added to water, due to solute-solvent interaction between ions from the salt and water molecules, less number of molecules in the vapor state exist on the surface, thus exerting less pressure on the surface. Hence, vapor pressure of the solution is lesser than the vapor pressure of a corresponding pure solvent. The boiling point of water is observed as 100 degrees Celsius, but for a salt solution, it will be greater than 100 degrees Celsius. The increase in boiling point of elevation of a solution due to the addition of non-volatile solute is termed as elevation of boiling point. We see now the question with which we started the video. Why do we boil vegetables in salted water? The boiling point of water is elevated by adding salt. The vegetables which boils in salt would be boiling at a temperature higher than the 100 degrees Celsius. So, we see that salt not only adds taste to the food, but also helps in reducing the time of cooking due to the concept of elevation of boiling point. Thank you.